Okay, we're almost done with our homemade guacamole against the Chef Chris with the Masons and Cooking Hour. So what you guys are gonna do is now that you have all your ingredients together in a bowl, you're gonna take a potato masher, and all you're gonna do is just go to work. So your goal is to combine, is to smash up your guacamole pieces as small as you can. Some people prefer a more chunky guacamole. For those of you guys who prefer a smoother guacamole, you may want to use a food processor, maybe a dicer. But for those of you guys who want to do it the old-fashioned way, you get another potato masher, and you just go on to work in the bowl. So I've been working out a little bit. So here's what you guys should see, right? So I have more of a chunky variety of guacamole. You see all my ingredients mixed in there together. Again, if you prefer a more, smoother type of guacamole, you can use a food processor, or you can chop up your chunks of guacamole a lot finer in the process that we talked about when we pitted the guacamole. So now that this is done, we're going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator, and then we'll go ahead and jump into our tortillas. All right, that's in the refrigerator getting cool for us. So now we're going to our last step, which is the fried tortillas. So we're going to take our tortillas that we diced up. We're going to head on over to a hot pan. One thing we talked about with pans is to make sure that you guys use the correct temperature. This one is set on a medium high. We're using canola oil to fry the chips. Again, a tortilla chips. So just the same way you guys like Doritos or crunchy shell tacos, the same exact process here. What you guys are going to do is you guys are going to drop the chips in. You're going to fry them for no more than 90 seconds. All right? We'll take our first batch. You guys are going to hear the grease. Just going to drop them in there. And again, you'll see them start to brown, and after about 15 seconds, and you're going to kind of monitor them, but they should not spend more than 90 seconds in the hot grease. So math question for you guys right here, right? So we're dropping 6 pieces of tortillas in the grease for 90 seconds, right? How long will it take to cut a total of 60 tortillas? What you guys think about that while I flip these over? So we're at about the halfway point for our tortilla chips. We're starting to see them brown. Looking for the color. Again, you know when they start floating to the top, that's how you know you're getting ready, right? So now I have some brown edges. We're at about the 15-second mark. So I'm going to go ahead and knock these out. All right, about 5 seconds left. And you make sure you want to use tongs, or if you don't have tongs, use a fork. Again, the grease is hot. You do not want to burn yourself with this. Okay, so you have our first 6 done. Let's go on for our second batch. So again, no more than 90 seconds for each chip. Good thing about having a hot pan is you can drop as many as you want in here, and they will all be cooked golden brown. That's how you want them. That's how they come in the package you guys buy in the store. With those cooked, here's what your chips will look like. So you'll have a little bit of brown on there. It's right there, and when all chips are done, we'll hit it with a little bit of salt, and then those will be ready to dip our guacamole in. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up here. We have our guacamole in the refrigerator getting cool, and so by the time I get done with this, it's taking me another couple of minutes. We'll have some hot chips to go with some cool guacamole. We'll see you guys in a little bit.